Hello and welcome back to Tranquil Life Guidance. Today, we're delving into a topic that's essential for our overall well-being: sleep hygiene. We'll explore some practical tips to help you achieve better sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Before we start, let's talk about why sleep is so important. A good night's sleep is like a soothing balm for our minds and bodies, helping us rejuvenate and prepare for the day ahead. Tip number 1: maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Tip number 2: create a serene sleep environment. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Consider using blackout curtains and white noise machines to enhance your sleep sanctuary. Tip number 3: limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones and computers can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try reading a book or practicing relaxation techniques instead. Tip number 4: develop a mindful bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities like journaling, gentle stretching, or meditation to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Tip number 5: be mindful of what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy, spicy, or acidic foods close to bedtime. Opt for a light snack if needed and limit caffeine and alcohol intake in the evening. Tip number 6: incorporate regular physical activity into your day. Exercise can promote better sleep, but aim to finish. Remember, practicing good sleep hygiene is a gradual process. It might take some time for your body to adjust to these changes, so be patient with yourself. That's a wrap for today's video on sleep hygiene and better sleep. I hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to a more restful night's sleep. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.